Hey, is your Bose speaker in the wrong language or you need to change the language? Well, this is all you have to do. So we're going to go ahead and do a hard reset. And once we do a hard reset, it'll give us the language option. So go ahead and push the power button.
100% de batería.
And so if you want to change into Spanish, this is all we have to do. So once it turns off, wait a little bit. Now go ahead and turn it back on.
English.
So
To
currently,
select English, press and hold the multifunction button.
the English is the default, and this is the multifunction button. So if we
To
want to
select
confirm,
English, press
then
and
we're going to
hold the
push this down,
multifunction
okay?
button.
But if I want to change it to Spanish, push the plus
To
button.
select English.
Español. Para seleccionar español, mantén presionado el botón multifunción.
And once we want to keep it in Spanish, we're just going to go ahead and hold it down.
Listo para conectar.
Yep, so now it's in Spanish, okay? So I hope this video helps. If it does, please like, subscribe, or comment. Bye-bye.